How to start page numbering from specific page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open MS Word. Scroll down from where you want to start your page number. Then go to Layout at the top. In Layout, click on Breaks. After that, you will find all these options pop up. Click on Next Page. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Again, click on where you started, then go to Insert, and then you'll find Page Numbers. Click on it, then click on Bottom of Page, then click Plain Number 1. After you've clicked on Plain Number 1, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You can simply type in 1 here. I want my pages to be all 3, so I'll just type in 3. After you have done that, click on Link to Previous at the top. After that, go to Page Number. In Page Number, click on Format Page Numbers. Then in here, at the top, you will find number format 1 to 3. You can also select, I want to start from 3, so I'll simply add 3 from start at and then press on OK. You can simply type 1 as well. If you type 1, it will be 1, 2, 3 in a page. After you have done that, as you can see, all the pages will have number in sequence. This is how to start page numbering from specific page in MS Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.